What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a table in LinkedIn article. First off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in LinkedIn or linkedin.com. After that, you will be redirected to the official website of LinkedIn, wherein if you are new to LinkedIn, click on sign up and then sign up with your email, password and other credentials to create your new LinkedIn account. But if you already have an account, simply click on login and then you will be automatically logged into the homepage of LinkedIn. Now from here, after signing up or logging in, on the right side, you can see the option of write article. Click on this and after coming here, click on this content tab and then the cursor will appear here. After the cursor appears here, at the top, click on this add image or video icon and then add your image, the table image from here, select it and click on open and then just click on edit if you want to edit the image, and if you want it original, keep it original, and then you can add an alternative text and you can even add an hyperlink to this table, but I don't want to add anything for now. I'll just simply click on next, and then as you can see, the table has been inserted here in my LinkedIn article. So this is how you can insert a table in LinkedIn article, and you can even change it via the settings to minimize the image or to edit the image or to delete the image. You can do these settings from here. So that's how you can insert a table in LinkedIn article. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.